Abby, you're finally here.
It
Took you so long.
We're in Glendale. It took 20 minutes.
Oh, that's true. 20 minutes. Sorry about the ride. Sorry about that long drive and ride. But of course, we're here. You, Abby, and Ruby together means Kain Serie.
There's more. Wait, I thought the month ended already.
Yeah, it's true. The Filipino Food Month ended and the Filipino-American restaurant ended April. But May is a new month. That means it's a new celebration. It's a whole month celebration for the Filipino community.
Ooh, there's more.
There's more. You know what we're celebrating?
What are we celebrating?
It's called the Filipino Heritage Month.
Oh, so what do we do during the Filipino Heritage Month?
Okay. Good question. I feel like a teacher. Okay. From the word heritage, of course, you know heritage, that means we're talking about the culture,
Right?
the history, the legacy.
Legacy.
Okay. These three things, the culture, the heritage, the legacy of the Filipino, that we will try to impart to the younger generation.
Like me?
Exactly.
Ooh.
Your generation will try to impart these three virtues that they should learn to love, respect, and preserve.
Like culinary heritage is a part of that.
Correct. That tradition that you will impart, this culinary tradition, so that belongs to the Filipino Heritage Month. That's why we're here at Fiesta sa Barrio.
Oh, so that's why we're meeting here.
Yeah, fiesta. The word fiesta, of
Right.
course, means like celebration. And you know, in the Philippines, we're famous for fiestas.
We are.
Yes. Come on, let's go. Okay, let's go.
Ooh.
See? Look at the word. Look up. Experience
Experience
Gourmet.
Gourmet.
Filipino Gourmet. Hello po, Ate Irene.
Hello.
Kumusta na?
Mabuti kayo.
Okay naman po. Ito po si Abby. Siya
Hello,
po ang kasama ko
Abby.
ngayon. Ayan. Kasi ini-introduce ko siya sa mga exquisite culinary food na Filipino. Kaya sabi ko, dito tayo sa Fiesta sa Barrio. Nagkita kami dito. Alam ko po na napakasarap ang mga pagkain dito. Pero para po sa mga hindi nakakaalam na sigurado akong konti na lang yon. Ano po ba ang specialty nyo dito? Para po dun sa mga hindi nakakaalam.
Kare-kare, crispy pata, meron kaming bulanglang, meron kaming crispy binagoongan.
Ooh.
Actually, a lot. And you know what's good here?
What's good here?
Natikman ko dito. Nung last kaming nagpunta, chicharon bulaklak.
Chicharon flour.
Yeah. Chicharon flour. Well, it's chicharon. They call it chicharon bulaklak. Bata, alam mo na, chicharon flour daw. Kaya nga itinuturo natin. Dahil kasi po, Ate Irene, ngayon sineselebrate natin ang Filipino Heritage Month. So, syempre, part ng ating tradisyon ang culinary pagkain. Hindi po ba? Kaya, the best dito natin i-celebrate. Dito po namin inuumpisahan sa mga legacy na pagkain na yan. Dahil yung mga sinabi nyo, mga famous Filipino food yan.
Saan galing na lahat ng mga recipe ninyo po?
Yung cook namin have 55 years.
55 years?
55 years na siyang nagluluto?
Yes, 1969.
Oh,
That's older than my dad.
Yeah, I know. Older than your dad. So, like, kind of, I'm glad. At least his cooking is older than us. Anyway, so yung 55 years na yon, sa kanya na po nanggaling itong mga recipes na ginagawa niyo dito. See, that's one way of upholding traditions.
Right.
Right?
Wait.
55 years, tuloy-tuloy.
55 years. So, 55 years. Why did you guys decide to feature Filipino food, well, especially here in the U.S.?
Kasi most of the food here, di ba, mga mix, fusion, ganon. We wanna be able to serve yung mga talagang authentic.
That's the word. Authentic. That's preserving legacy. That's preserving
Especially
tradition.
sa mga bata. Yung mga bata, ikatulad ni Abby.
At saka nag-iisip
Hamburger.
bata.
You know, hamburger, pizza, ganon. So, we wanna serve the
Iba pa
authentic.
rin.
Iba pa rin.
Iba talaga. See, si Abby, 55 years of cooking tradition. Authentic Filipino dishes.
That's authentic.
Yeah, they
I've
don't
never
do
seen
fusions here. That means that's preserving the culinary tradition.
Traditions.
Ate, surprise mo kami kung ano ihahanda mo.
Okay,
Ako,
let's
kung
go.
Okay.
I'm really interested in
I
this
know.
chicharon flour you guys were talking
Chicharon
about.
flour? Hey everyone! Let's all eat here at Fiesta Samario! Dito sa Glendale.